What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be working up with you can see that we're totally done with this home page, and now in this video we're gonna be working up with our about page. Okay, so let's come here and you can see that we are here in the about section. Now what we have to do, we need to go to the edit page and we want to edit this whole page. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, and here in the content layout I have to choose the 100% full width. I'm gonna go to the title right here and I want to disable it. Okay, I also want to do one thing, is to disable the margins. Yes, okay. Let's go ahead and let's hit update. And now let's go ahead and let's view this page. So here you can see this is our page right now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here to edit page again. And I want to click edit with Elementor. Okay, now you can see that I will be taken to the Elementor page where I can manage this page completely. So let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, now here, instead of adding a new section and doing everything from scratch, I think I'm gonna be moving on with add a template. How this will work is that I can add any of the template here, and then that is gonna work. Okay, so I basically need an about template. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's move with that template. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go down, and here I want to see the about template. So here should be the about template. So you can see that you can add any of the about page. We have about architecture, we have about a startup, we have about personal, and then we have the about gallery and these stuff. So you can add these pages right here. Okay, we have this as well, the landing page, mobile app. We have these pages. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be moving up with, I think you can also add the CV if you want to. Okay, I want to go to this guy right here and let's insert this one. So after just clicking this, you can see that it is loading, and then it will be added right here. So you can see it is pretty well working. And now what we want to do is that we need to edit this. So how we will just edit it, I'm just going to come here to edit section, and I'm going to go to style right here, and I want to go to the background overlay, and I want to choose this to be black and gray stuff, because we are choosing this theme to be the black. So I want to add the black effect. I'm going to come here and I'm going to use the black one, and we want to choose it to be this black, and this should be another black shade. So there we go. Okay, you can give a different shade right here. Okay, so this is also looking cool. This is basically the gradient, not the full color. Okay, you can choose a different color if you want to. So I think this is looking cool. Okay, I want to go down and I want to change this Facebook color to be black as well. I'm going to go to style right here, and the primary color is going to be black. I want to go to the content, and in the content should also be the full black. Okay, same like this. I want to come here, I want to go to style right here and see the icon. You can see I want to change this to be black, and this content should also be changed to black, because we have to focus on this this theme. Okay, because we want to make sure that our theme is black and white, focusing on this. Okay, I also want to change this Facebook. Okay, let's come here, and we want to change this. Let's change this to YouTube. So you can go to style right here and you can change this to be black. So you can see that you can pretty well change this. You can pretty well edit this whole. This is basically the pre-made layout which this theme gives, which this Elementor gives. Okay, we have this about us, we have this divider, and then we have this, and then we have this our story section, we have this and everything. So I'm gonna come here right here, I'm gonna go above, I'm gonna click this guy right here, and I want to change the style to be black. I want to change this to be a bit of gray. Okay, and I want to change this color to be the blacky color, so it should be full black, and this should be a bit of gray. So there we go. You can see this is how it is coming, and this since this video is totally the same, so we cannot edit this. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and let's see if we can just add or change it. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna go to style right here, and you can see this is the aspect ratio. We have the autoplay, suggested videos, player title, and action. So we can add an image overlay. I think I'm gonna come here to image, and you can add any of the image overlay if you want to add any image overlay. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna try to add this image overlay instead of this. So here would be the play option. Okay, so I think this image is pretty well matching this color. Okay, I have the play icon, I have the light box as well. So you can see this is how it is working. If I just click here, you can see this is gonna pop up, and then the light box is coming right here. Okay, so now we go down and we have this client section. This is also the black and white, and everything is pretty well. Now let's have a look at our website, our About Us page. So this is our About Us page. We have this right here, we have this, and we have these services right here that we want to show anything. We can show pretty well anything. And you can see this is basically the shape divider that we have. If I just come here and I just go to the style right here, and then I go to the shape divider, then you can see in the bottom we have the curve, and I can change the width. I can change the width to anywhere. I can change it to be 4, I can change it to be like this, and I can change it to be, I can also move on with the height. So if I want to make this 0 height, you can see this is how the height is. So I can bring it above, I can change it to be invert, like you can see this is now inverted. So I'm just gonna click here, and I can also bring it to front if I want to. Okay, and then we have these services, so we can change these services. We can also remove this if we want to. So you can see if I just remove it, you can see this R story is coming right here, and I can even bring this to top if I want to bring this to top right here. I can just change the margin, I can decrease the margin. Okay, let me uncheck this, and now let me bring the margin to the top. So you can see this is how the R story is coming, but this is the background color is set to this guy right here. So if I just clear it up, you can see this is how this is coming, the background color. So I think I should just bring this down to the normal, because this is not looking much cool. So I'm just gonna go to the advanced section, and I'm gonna choose 0 from here. So here we go, and everything looks pretty cool. So now we are also done with our About page. Okay, in the next video, or let's just move on with this video. Okay, let's just move on with the contact page. Let's save it, and let's click this guy, and let's go to the dashboard, and let's move on with the contact page. So I'm gonna go to all pages right here, and I want to go to the contact us. I'm gonna hit edit, and here I want to go down. I want to select it to be full width, and disable, and the title should be disable. So let's go ahead, let's hit update, and let's hit edit with Elementor. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit edit with Elementor, and there we go. You can see it is loading right here, and it's gonna take me to the new page where I can just edit it completely. So here we go. You can see here I am. I'm gonna add a template because I want to move on with the template right now. So let's see the contact template if we have any. Let's go down. So it is the landing page. It is also the landing page. You can see this name is coming up right here. So let's see if we have any of the contact page. Okay, this is the one. This is the contact. This is the contact. This is the contact. This is contact, and this is also the contact. This is the contact. So I think I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna click this guy right here, and you can see it will be added right here below. So there we go. You can see this is coming right here. This is our contact page is looking. Okay, I want to stretch it, and I want to make it the full width. Okay, now it is looking pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna click this guy right here, and I want to stretch it. So it is cool right now. So let's check this page. Okay, this is how the page is looking. I want to change the color to be, the background color to be full black, so that this image is black. But I think that this is already the black one, but let's just come here to the background overlay, and let's choose the black one. Okay, now it looks pretty well. Cool. I want to come here, I want to change this color to be the black. Cool. And I want to change this. Let's just change this color to be a bit of white and a gray. Okay, I want to come here. I want to change the icon of this. So I'm going to change the icon to be the black. Come here and change the icon to be the black right here, and change the icon to be the black right here again. So there we go. You can see this is how it is. I'm going to change this color to be black, and this color to be black as well, and this to be black as well. Okay, so you have to basically focus on this totally, because this is really very important. Okay, I'm gonna come here, and if you want to stretch it, you can also stretch it. So I'm just gonna stretch it right now, so the map should be full width. Okay, I also want to change this if I want to add the footer links. Okay, so you can pretty well remove this because it is not much recommended, but if you want to add it, you can also add it. You have to just come here and change this to be black or a bit of gray. So let's match this color. I'm just gonna grab this guy right here. I'm gonna hit page color, and I want to grab this. So you can see that the color code has been copied. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to paste it right here. So this is now matching this color, and we want to change these icons. So I'm going to click this guy right here. I'm going to go to the style, and I want to change my background color to be full black or white. And this should be, sorry, and this should be black. Okay, you can see how this is coming. We have these social links right here, and then we have this is totally matching and everything. So if you want to just add a gap here, what you can do, you can pretty well add a border below. So you can do that if you want to. Okay, we have the border bottom right here. If I just click this guy right here, then you can see I go to the style and I can add a border below. So I'm just gonna add a border bottom. Okay, it's gonna be 20. I want to just hit this, and from the bottom I want a solid border, and the solid border is going to be 1 pixel. Okay, I want to uncheck this again. Let's add the border to be 10, not 10 but 1 pixel. And now let's click this, and you can see this is a border that is coming. So this is separating, and now everything looks pretty cool right this, and this is how our contact us page is looking. So if you want to add that contact form 7 plugin, you can also add it pretty well anywhere you want to add, and you can see this is how our contact us page is. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. Now we are totally done with this. In the next video I'm going to show you that how can you go with the blog theme. Okay, you can change the blog look. You can pretty well create a blog post with the Elementor. So stay tuned for that, and goodbye.